Thank you very much.
There you go, man. Thank you. It's good reading in there.
Is this your food?
There's a lot of good stuff in there. Explains why we did it. It's like books and stuff. No, it's not chicken.
Okay.
There's a lot of food.
Doucement, doucement.
Thank you. Was right, but now I see.
I'm just so moved with with all these people. They're all hungry, and I think I should just go home and bring people back and just feed these people. Yeah.
You brought some food today. How much did you bring?
100 lunches. Yeah.
And tell me who you plan to give them out to when you and your tribe come.
We didn't know. Yeah, we just walked into this, and the Lord led us to this, so here we are. And we plan to go to the Bowery later, and it's the same story there. They don't know what to do with all the people.
So you just came to give food out to anyone who needs it, and
that's right.
And here is a massive crowd.
Yeah, we're totally overwhelmed. Yeah.
Were you surprised when you saw the numbers of people out here?
No, but I didn't know where it was. We didn't know. The Lord led us to this. Yeah.
I thought you were part of it when I saw the bonnets. I thought you came right for them, but it's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah.
They seem grateful to have a bite to eat.
Yeah, and they seem to be. They're not violent. It's very grateful for that.
So where do you folks come from?
Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
And how often do you come?
Well, there's groups coming about weekly, but we'll have to see what we can do with this.
Tell me a little about what you like to do when you come to New York City, what your goals are.
Spread the good news, the news of Jesus Christ, our risen Savior. Yeah.
Every long day. Stop. No more. It's a long day.